back to my channel. Yes, your girl. Oh, she's short today. Oh, she's short today. Anywho, welcome back. It's your girl, MadameAkay. I'm super excited that you are here because today we are doing a look that's going to surpass all of the heat that we are experiencing in this Texas summer. It is June, about to be July, and it feels like it is 200 degrees outside. Like, it is hot. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this summertime look because, I mean, your girl. Okay, but I'm really feeling myself because I have a new background. Did y'all notice? Did y'all notice I have a new background? Tell me how y'all feel about the new background. First I had a new intro, now I got a new background, so that means my video is gonna be coming in hotter than hot sauce. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay. It's the B6 vitamin infused complexion prep spray, and this is by Urban Decay. You guys, if you're new to my channel, I love me some Urban Decay. If you are not new, y'all should already know this is what I'm gonna use to close up my pores. Okay, so I'm gonna let that soak in, and after I let that soak in, I'm gonna take this Farsali Unicorn Essence. Ooh. And I'm just gonna take my Sephora 208 brush, spoolie, and then a brush. And I'm just gonna brush my eyebrow hairs up and down to kind of clean it up. So same thing on the other side. And this eye pencil, y'all, I honestly don't know where I got it from. I think I got it in Nigeria. But it's just a little brown eye pencil, nothing spectacular. Okay, so after you filled it in, I just like to take my spoolie and disperse that product just a little bit more all over. And then the same thing on this side. And then lastly, I'll take my Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their clear brow gel. And it just kind of keeps my eyebrows in place. And then I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using my Fenty Beauty in the color 450. So this is their Pro Concealer. Excuse me, this is not the Pro Concealer. This is their Instant Retouch Concealer. And I'm gonna take my Real Technique purple brush to help me blend this concealer out. So this is what the brush looks like. Real Technique. You can find it at your Target, Walmart has it, Ulta has it, literally everywhere has it now. And then I just cleaned it up. So I've cleaned up my eyebrows. Well, I cleaned up just the top. Let me get the bottom now. And then I'm gonna put my foundation on top. Now, if you've been here before, you know this is not how I do my foundation, but I'm trying something new, so y'all bear with me, okay? Bear with me. We're just gonna see how this goes. So I do have hyperpigmentation on my neck, and that's because I was stupidly scratching my neck like consistently for like a month or so, and it just got darker. Like, I don't know why, I just thought it was smart to be scratching my neck like an idiot. But as you can see, the foundation melted right into my skin. And this is just one coat. I really love the Fenty Beauty foundation because it does not like feel heavy at all. All right, and that's it. And then you just go about your day. No, you have to set the foundation. Set your foundation. Set your foundation. All right, I'm gonna use my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. And this is what it looks like. It has a mirror. Oh, it has a mirror, and then that's the color. So it matches me pretty well, pretty well. I'm gonna just take the same brush just cause, I mean, it is what it is. And this will help with eliminating that shine. Y'all, okay, let me show y'all. You see the shine? You see the shine? Let me put this powder. Where's the shine? So y'all really need to be setting your foundations. No shine, shine. No shine, shine. Set your foundation, because that's what's really gonna help you eliminate like the oil. And I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna come up in here and talk about, oh, you gotta have more than one powder color, but I'm not there yet, you know. I just gotta do what works for me right now, and this is what works for me, you feel me? But I know that I do need to eventually do that, so, and that's that. Like, just to kind of brighten up my under eye, just because I feel like my face is all one color right now. And then you want to set that concealer. Boom. Okay. And then I'm going to take that same foundation brush, just because I hate when you can see the highlight and then the foundation. So I'm just going to blend that in. And then same thing on this side. I'm gonna highlight using this Colourpop color Avalon. It's kind of rose gold to me, and I'm gonna use my Sephora brush 65. So it's their Pro Fan brush. This is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna highlight just a little bit, so you can barely even see it. Probably gonna add a little bit more, and then the same thing on this side. So because this is a little, you know, I don't want to do the most with my eyes. So I'm going to take my LORAC Unzipped palette, but I'm going to take Unbridged, which is this color. Then I'm going to take Unspoken, which is this color right here. Put that right into the crease. And then lastly, I'm going to take Uncensored, which is the one right next to it. And just put that right on the lid. Something very basic and simple. Okay, next I am going to put some mascara, because it's a summertime look, so sometimes we don't want to wear like the heavy lashes, so we're just gonna, you know, use mascara. And the mascara I'm gonna use is from Benefit, and it's the Bad Gal Bang right now. Y'all, I'm so hungry. So to finish off this look, I'm just gonna take my Too Faced Jordyn Woods Social Butterfly Lip Gloss because it's summertime and I mean, the lip gloss should be popping. This thing smells like candy. Like seriously, this thing seriously smells like candy. And then last but not least, I'm gonna put on the top because I don't like how this is like really pinky. Anyway, I'm gonna take this Loreal Paris. It's the Rich Color Lip Gloss. And I'm gonna put it on top. Just like that. Is she cute or not? But of course, you know, your look isn't complete until you spray this. Honestly, this is how my babe knows like I'm ready to go. Is when I spray that. When he hears that mist, he knows it's time to go. Alright, well thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you want to. If you want notifications, hit that bell button right next to the subscription button as well. And stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully it will be like right here. Or maybe it'll be here.